Today is a big day. We're gutting the kitchen. So Sally's just finishing cleaning out the cabinet under the sink. As you can see, we've already taken everything pretty much apart. The place is a shambles. But we got the countertop up on the cart here. So I'm going to take that outside right now and cut it. This will be my first granite cut I've ever done, so that's a little bit scary.
Yeah.
Yeah. This would be a bad time to make a whoopsie. So yeah, we're gonna, once I got this cut, then I'll disconnect all the plumbing and pull out the water filter, and yeah, just off it goes. Wish me luck. That turned out better than I thought it was going to be perfectly honest. Yeah, my first test fit, it fit perfectly, so now I'm going to detach the plumbing and rip all that stuff out, and hopefully we'll have a kitchen by the end of the day. Look at his tail. Here. He's right there. He's soaked. Go get him. Guapo just went for his first swim in the ocean. Look at you. Look at you, little drowned rat.
Oh, his heart is just pounding right now.
How did you get back out?
I don't know. I was going to jump right in the water to get him. And then I was like, where did he go? I thought he was going underneath. And then somehow he got out. Oh, that's salty.
Yeah, I was gonna say maybe.
Oh, do we need to rinse him somehow?
Yeah, maybe help in the shower. So Sally came out, and I guess the boys were playing with the sink. Somehow Wapo went in, and he climbed up that post And here's the trail. It's too funny. And this is why we decided to replace the cabinets, is termites. They've eaten clear through all that. So that's why we've done this with painting every open surface so that they can't get back in. Calling an audible. Sally's just gone with Wapo over to Dr. Gloria to get his shoulder checked out. Probably just get some antiseptic or something for it. But I think, because I'm going to be tiling over where the stove is eventually, so I think what I'm going to do is just remove all the wood here and just put up plysim, and then that way it'll just be a nice clean look. And yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. Bit of a snag. 7 o'clock. Unfortunately, the hole for the counter was just a little too big and just being a single layer, it didn't have any strength, so it busted in a bunch of parts. 2, 3, that broke. So I'm gonna epoxy them back together and then do the plumbing tomorrow, I guess. Take a night, Sal.
Night.
Glamorous dinner, along with all the tools. Ooh, shiny sink. For such a small island, there are a lot of amazing restaurants and bistros to satisfy any craving. El Patio is one of the newest to join the scene. Right in the heart of town, they have a small menu of healthy and delicious tacos and bowls. We highly recommend checking them out on your next visit to Isla Colón. As always, links in the description below. Buenos dias. How's it going? Well, it's Wednesday, and for the first time in probably like a month and a half, I'm fairly injury free, so I'm actually going to play volleyball today. But before that, so these are the last of the fronts to go on. They're for the standalone cabinet right next to the fridge. They just got their top coat of polyurethane, so they're just about ready to go. I'll probably put those on before we head out. So this morning I'm basically just getting the plumbing ready to test the system for upstairs, the new laundry location, and the downstairs kitchen. Front door, this being our hallway closet, we're moving the laundry to here. So I've got my stub outs and shutoffs there. And this also feeds down through that wall into where the kitchenette is going to be for the guests. And for right now, that also feeds the upstairs loft bedroom. So you can see that's all the old cabinets. All this is going to get ripped out when I change the water pump over, because that's a half horse. I got a 1 horse water pump, and it all needs 1.25 inch piping. So I've got to replace the pipe that goes to the water tank over there with 1.25, and then so all this stack is going to get replaced. So this is the stack that's going up to that stuff over there. So yeah, for right now I'm just going to connect it to where the washer dryer lines, and then once we move these I can just cap that off, and that'll be the main run. All right, let's get at her. All ready to go. I'm not going to do the final connection until Sally gets back and we have showers and we're just about ready to go, because I'm going to have to keep the water shut off for a couple hours while the glue cures. So basically once we're about an hour out, I'll shut off all the water, shut off the pump, snip the pipes, attach them, and then we leave for probably 5 hours. We head out for 5 hours and come back, and I can turn all the water back on.
A few minutes later.
As per usual, I'm missing one crucial piece for my whole plan to work. I'll have to make a run into town tomorrow for one more shut-off, so for now, here's our cats being adorable.
Please like and subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications of future videos as we continue to renovate the future Sunsetter Bed and Breakfast.